Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to monitor your Fundbox credit profile. Staying informed about your credit status with Fundbox can help you to maintain eligibility, request higher limits, and of course avoid surprises. Let's get into it. The first step is to log into your Fundbox dashboard. You want to start by logging into your Fundbox account. Your dashboard is going to give you an overview of your credit line, your current balance and available credit, as well as payment history and upcoming due dates. Step 2 is to check for notifications or alerts. Now, Fundbox notifies you if there are issues with your linked accounts, or if your payment behavior is affecting your standings, or if you qualify for a credit line increase. So you just keep an eye out on these indicators. Step 3, monitor transaction activity. Now, under your dashboard's activity or transaction section, you can review loan draws and repayments. Likewise, you can look for missed payments or delays. Also spot trends in your borrowing and repayment patterns. Step 4, keep your connections updated. You want to ensure that your linked bank accounts, your accounting softwares, they're all synchronized and accurate. Because incomplete or outdated data may lead to credit issues or suspensions. Step 5, review Fundbox performance periodically. Now, while Fundbox doesn't provide a traditional credit score inside its platform, your usage patterns, repayment reliabilities, and financial data all influence your access. So make it a habit to check that monthly. Monitoring your Fundbox credit profile isn't about watching a score. It's about managing your behavior, your data, and of course your relationships. Stay proactive and Fundbox will reward you for your consistency. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.